Okay, so I finally got my Pelagic autopilot installed. So that's the tiller arm, or the actuator there, and this is my new tiller. That took me a while to install all this because I had to replace a lot of stuff. And I just did a compass calibration, so this is working really well now, in spite of the fact that there's a big piece of iron beside it. And yeah, so that's a little lopsided, but I'm just gonna fix the holes and that'll be fixed. Okay, so basically I want 20 degrees to port, so I'm just gonna press this 10 times. Well, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you can see this thing's doing its thing. It's made its turn, and it's pretty much finished now. We'll get back on our previous course. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and coming back about to our previous course here, and we'll catch that pretty quick. And yeah, once I got it calibrated, and once I tightened down the tiller so it wasn't wobbly like before, this starts to work really well. One thing that I'd like to say is that if you're installing this on your boat, I really recommend having the controller on the rear, because there's those little status lights. They have like a lot of different meanings, and you're going to want to be able to see them probably from more than just right here in the cockpit. So if you're because I've got this remote here, I can see on the lights whether or not this thing has picked up the button press. So yeah, that's all I have to say. I'm really happy with this. You know, it's pretty low cost, very low cost autopilot for the features that it has, and the serviceability. You know, I've already taken this whole thing apart and looked inside and just reassembled it, and that was fine. Yeah, very straightforward install. It's normally a drop-in, but you can see the previous autopilot I had was installed incorrectly in the wrong place, so I had to change that. And I've got all my plugs just hiding down there, just very conveniently out of the way. I didn't have to worry about sealing the back of the plug that this goes into, and that's removable from there, so I can put that away. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you get a Pelagic autopilot as well.